Anke here with a new layout and process video for HipKit Club featuring the July 2024 HipKits. Today I'll show you how you can add beautiful mixed media accents to your layout using the stencil and the distress crayons, which are included in the July color kit and the July 2024 palm tree die set. I place the stencil on my layout and secure it with tape to keep it in place. Then I apply modeling paste. I take off the tape and the stencil and let the paste dry and repeat the process until the whole page is covered. I choose the Summer Sizzle beach wrap paper and fold it. I will use this as my background paper. Now I cut palm trees and clouds from white cardstock using the July 2024 palm tree die set. And then I color the trees using the distress crayons, which are included in the July color kit. I glue the pieces together, place the folded background paper on my page and arrange the palm trees. Now I fussy cut some waves from the Summer Sizzle Dive Deep paper and place them in the upper right and the bottom left corner of the folded paper. Also add 2 pieces of white towel. I adhere everything and add my photo, which I layer with a tag from the Summer Sizzle Tag and Label die cuts pack, which is included in the July embellishment kit. I add some of the palm trees, a green frame and some other die cuts from the Summer Sizzle cardstock ephemera pack, which you can find in the July main kit. I also add the cloud die cuts. Then I add a piece of orange twine to the tag behind my photo and more die cuts. Fussy cut another wave from the Dive Deep paper and add it to my page. title, I'll choose one of the cardstock layered foam phrase stickers, which are included in the July main kit. I add another small palm tree, more die cuts and some puffy stickers. The puffy stickers are included in the July embellishment kit. I continue embellishing the page with one of the chipboard flare stickers from the July embellishment kit and 2 leaves which I fussy cut from the Summer Sizzle Holiday White paper. Then I finished with some Nuvo drops from my stash. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the video. Thanks so much for joining me.